Hello, Mary Amber here with We're About Wellness Friends, and we're walking through the essential oils, and today we are going to be talking a little bit about Petitgrain. Petitgrain is a single oil. It is a very unique oil derived from the bitter orange tree. It is beneficial for cleansing purposes and can support healthy nervous system and immune system function, among other internal health benefits. And the main benefits, it may provide antioxidant support, may help promote restful sleeping, and may support healthy immune, nervous system, and cardiovascular function. You can see here the Petitgrain has a supplemental fact box, so it is okay to take internally, 1 drop in 4 fluid ounces of water. This is one that you can use aromatically in your diffuser. You can use it topically, and you can also use it internally. And if you have sensitive skin, you might want to add a little bit of fractionated coconut oil or maybe jojoba oil or unscented lotion to your palm of your hand, and then drop and add it in with the Petitgrain. So Petitgrain, you can combine it with fractionated coconut oil for a wonderful relaxing massage. You could take 2 drops internally to help support healthy digestive function. You can dilute it and apply it to the skin to help reduce the appearance of skin imperfections. And you could even take 1 drop in a glass of water to enjoy the internal benefits and the refreshing flavor of it. You can also use it internally, like in a drop in water, or I do a drop underneath my tongue, and then I take a sip of water, and it helps to calm the nervous system and promote restful sleep. I have found this, I like the smell of this and the taste of this better than I do my lavender. That's just my personal preference. And Petitgrain, emotionally speaking, because we're looking at the emotional well-being as well as the physical well-being and how we use the oils emotionally. Petitgrain is the oil of ancestry. It invokes a deep appreciation for positive forms of ancestral knowledge and wisdom and family history. See, all individuals carry a portion of their ancestors' lives and stories within them, physically, emotionally, and throughout inherited traditions. And Petitgrain illuminates the eternal connection to all previous generations that weaves its way through the present generation onto the next. And Petitgrain is a great aid in healing the complicated family history. It invites individuals to accept the humaneness of their ancestors and to seek to learn from their mistakes. So instead of avoiding the pain of the past, Petitgrain encourages thoughtful awareness of how to heal wounds in the family line. It's going to reveal patterns and tendencies of unconsciously repeating family mistakes. And individuals in need of Petitgrain may be unable or unwilling to depart from their family's way of thinking. So instead, they follow the footsteps of their predecessors and their ancestral traditions. Or they feel too bound to the family story that they wish to disown and desire to disconnect from the reality of the previous generations. For either extreme, Petitgrain invites healthy awareness and balance. It encourages those who view any departure from tradition as betrayal of the family, and it helps us to release the fear of disapproval and forgive the path that is right for them. Oh, forge, not forgive, sorry, I forgot. Forge the path that is right for them. It also reminds those who desire to disconnect from their family origins to be willing to see the positives of healthy family connection. Petitgrain oil invites all to see the gift of their ancestral traditions and will assist them in their efforts to heal unfinished and unresolved ancestral issues. Petitgrain when used and breathed in aromatically, reminds individuals that through accepting their ancestry, they can find peace, clarity, wisdom, and empathy for their own journey in this life. If you are having unhealthy, negative emotions and you're looking for more feelings of breaking chains and cultivating healthy traditions and embracing positive family connections. This oil is the oil for you. You can inhale it directly from the bottle or diffuse it in the diffuser. You could dilute 1 to 3 drops with a carrier oil and apply it on the bottom of the feet or the base of the spine. And when thinking about putting it in your diffuser, you could put it in with either white fir, birch, Douglas fir, or bergamot essential oil. So you can see Petitgrain is a great oil. Whether you're looking for those health supports for a restful night's sleep, or you're looking to change and break away from old duty-bound feelings and loyalty that you may feel to unhealthy traditions, it can help you in so many ways. So I thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I will put in the description how you can get your own Petitgrain and a link to a wonderful video that shows where we get our Petitgrain from. I thank you for walking through the oils with me that dōTERRA offers, and if you would like to hear more from We're About Wellness Friends as we walk through the oils, then please subscribe to this channel and like this post. Thank you so much.